our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to explore together: the transformative potential of artificial intelligence in education. I stumbled upon a fascinating article from the Stanford Institute for Human-Centered Artificial Intelligence. The link to the article will be in the description box. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our engaging educational content. Let's get started. Imagine a world where every student receives personalized instruction, where educators have more time to engage with their students, and administrative tasks practically take care of themselves. That's the future AI can bring to education. In an eye-opening article from the Stanford Institute for Human-Centered Artificial Intelligence, they explore the immense potential of AI in transforming teaching and learning. The authors emphasize the need for a cautious and thoughtful approach to ensure we get it right. So what are some of the ways AI can revolutionize education? First and foremost, it's all about personalization. AI-powered systems can analyze student data, adapt instruction to individual needs, and provide tailored feedback. No more one-size-fits-all approach. And here's the best part: AI can make learning engaging and interactive. AI has the potential to bring subjects to life through various means such as virtual tutors, immersive simulations, and gamified learning experiences. The point is to spark curiosity in students. Use the link in the description to learn about conversational learning robot for kids. The authors of the article also remind us of some important considerations. While AI is powerful, we must strike a balance. It should augment human teaching, not replace it. Nothing can replace the human touch, the mentorship, and the empathy that educators bring to the table. Additionally, we need to ensure that AI in education is deployed ethically and responsibly. Privacy, data security, and fairness should be at the forefront of every AI implementation. It's a collaborative effort involving educators, researchers, policymakers, and technologists. AI is an incredible tool, but it's up to us to use it wisely. Let's embrace its potential to personalize education, enhance student engagement, and streamline administrative tasks. But let's also remember that the heart of education lies in human connection and ethical considerations. That's it for today's video on AI in education. I hope you enjoyed diving into this fascinating topic with me. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and let me know in the comments how you think AI can transform education. Please hit the subscribe button and join the family. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.